Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Carolyn and I am going to open up the Ipsy Glam Bag X box for May, and that's what it looks like. Let's open it up. Ooh! And this is what it looks like inside, lots of stuff. I see on top here there's a beautiful makeup bag. And they got a for self-care. Here's the little paper you get. And let's see what's in here. I'm new to this. I was getting Ipsy the regular and I switched over to this. I think this tells you everything you have in here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'll be looking at that then. Okay. I'll be flipping back and forth, so please bear with me. Yeah, like I said, the first thing is this beautiful makeup box bag. It's got two. Oh, it's got two. Here's a compartment. Nice and roomy in there. And then here's another one. It holds, looks like jewelry. Looks like jewelry because these on Snap they would hold necklaces and maybe some rings in here. And then it just zips up. It's got that zipper. And then this one. Yeah, and then it looks like that. Beautiful. Let's see what it says. This month's Ipsy bag is the ultimate house everything makeup bag for a weekend away. Not only is it super cute, it's made with durable fabric and won't show signs of wear and tear. Floral fit all, and it retails for $18, so that's really good. I like that. It's cute. Okay, I'm going to toss this down here. Okay, the first thing I'm grabbing out of here is St. Jane Luxury Body Serum. Wow, look at that packaging. That is beautiful. Let's open it up. Can I open it up? Huh. Why do I get this stuff that you can't open? Here we go. It's taped. Let's see if this is in here. Searching through. Huh. Let's see, what is this? Jane Saint Luxury Body Serum. Looks like this. Wow, that is nice packaging. That is heavy. That is really heavy. Let's see. Oh, I got too much. Oh no. Oh, it smells like medicine. And I got way too much on my skin. I'll wipe some of it off. Okay. It's nice oily serum. It's a little on the oily side. It has like, I don't know, to me it smells like Pledge. To me, a little lemony, but the packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. And like I said, it's really heavy. And you get a nice container to go with it. And that is nice. Luxury Body Serum, so you can use this all over. Let's see what it says, if I can see it. Indulge your body like your face with our beautiful blend of botanicals. Grapefruit, rose, violet, bourbon, and vanilla. None of which I think it smells like lemon Pledge. So there's that. I wish it would have been on here so I could tell you something about it. They don't do, oh, here it is. Here it is, I found it. This retails for $58. Says your body deserves a skincare routine, and this award-winning all-natural serum is the perfect product to help smooth your skin from the neck down. So you can use this all over, from head to toe. So there's that. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out here is the scrub set, pink grapefruit. Let's see. Oh, God, that's cute. I don't know. Saturday skin, wonder. Let's see, I'm sorry. Pink grapefruit. This NCLA. Oh, right here. Make dry chapped lips a thing of the past with this exfoliating duo. When used together, the sugar-based scrub and silicone exfoliating tool help mix flakes and dead skin cells for lips that are hella soft and smooth. So this is a lip scrub. It comes with this little top. It smells. Ooh, it's oily, or yeah, not too scrubby. I mean, it's nice. And then you get this thing to use with it. Now my hands are all greasy, I can't get it open. Oh, I'll get it. There we go. I love having these troubles on camera. There. Oh, it's cute. It's shaped like lips. And then you hold it like that. No. And then you use that to scrub your lips away. So that's cute. So you get that duo together. And let's see. I found it, but now I lost it. Oh, where was it? Oh, this day's not working for me. Oh my God. So that's in the flavor grapefruit. Let's see. What is this? Vitabird C Hair Tonic Set. 12H Vitamin C. Scalp and Hair Revitalization. That's what it looks like. And this is Vitabird. Think of your scalp as an extension of the rest of your skin. It needs the same TLC as your face and body, which is why this tonic is so key. It helps keep your scalp healthy, balanced, and free from flakes and irritation. And this baby, this retails for $80. So it's expensive. And let's see. Oh, there's a couple things in here. Got it. It also comes with this thing that you can scan to get more information. And yeah, little directions and stuff in there. And you get this hair powder. I don't know what you would do with the hair powder. And here's the tonic, and it comes with the pump, which comes like this, which I'm not going to put together yet because I won't be using this right away, so let's see if it has a scent. Oh, it's strong. That smells like cold medicine. It does. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. I don't know. I don't really care for it. I don't think I'd want that on my hair. Ooh. So there's that. Oh. Okay, let's put that aside. Okay, and then we have Keys Soul Care Sheer Flush Cheek Tint. It looks like that. And let's see, Keys. There's 3 for more info. Where's 3? I got these all messed up. Okay. I don't know where to Tarte for CB. Keys Soul Care, that ain't it. Okay, well, it's a cheek tint, and it's in the color Grace. Seems like I got that color already. Oh. It'd be nice if I could get it open. There we go. There. Okay, this is what it looks like. Here's the color. Just a little pot of it. Yeah. Let's see. I can't. Oh, it's creamy. Can't get my finger in there with my nails. I'm so sorry. Okay, here's what it looks like. It does rub in. It's a beautiful color. No smell. I like that a lot. Sheer Flush Cheek Tint in Care in Transparent. It ain't transparent. It's got a little pinky tint to it, like a rose. It's very pretty. I like it. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Upswing Full Volume Mascara. And this is by Bite Beauty. That's what it looks like. And let me try to find it in this paper. Bite Beauty. This retails for $28. Proof that clean mascara can give your lashes just as much oomph as the conventional kind. This flake-free formula from Bite, it delivers major volume, length, and lift in just a few swipes. So it's a mascara, and it's solid black as the color, and we'll see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. I like that color, or that container. It's beautiful. Ooh, big fluffy brush. I like these. Kind of dips in the middle. No smell. Oh, that's pretty. I like that packaging. Packaging is everything. So I can't wait to use that. But that's going to work good. I like the big fluffy brushes. Okay, let's see. We have Slay All Day Setting Spray. I'm so excited. I don't have any and I needed some really bad. Oh, I'm so glad we got this. Slay All Day. Oh, it's pretty. Pretty green plastic. And I'm trying to find the information in here. I'm sorry, guys. They don't have everything in a row or in the same place. And I don't see it. Ah, I'm sorry. It's not on here. Huh, gotta be. Wonder Beauty, Bite Beauty Complex, Culture. I don't care, let's give it a spray. Oh, it's just a mist. That is refreshing. I like that. It's got a little scent, but nothing bad. Ooh, I can't wait to use this again. That's what it looks like. Oh, I'll get a lot of use out of this. I'm excited for this. I've been wanting to get some setting spray. Okay, and then we have Yensa Super and Vibrant Silk Lipstick in the color Mobile. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is beautiful. I like these packaging. These people are doing a good job. Oh, what's that kind? You push from the bottom and you pull it out. Oh, it's pretty. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's creamy. It's really creamy. Oh, it's pretty. Ooh, I like that. It goes on so nice. That is a beautiful color. Can't wait to use it. And then when you close it, you just push it in. That's fancy. Super and Vibrant Silk Lipstick. That's why it was so soft. Can't wait to use that either. Okay. And then we have Letter Out Penrose Eau de Parfum Wild Child. A tropical bouquet of tiara flower, jasmine, and vanilla. We got a perfume. Pretty bottle. Pretty good size too. Looks like that. Let's smell it. I like it. Oh. Oh, I like that a lot. That smells so good. I wish I could tell you. I don't know. It doesn't really smell like rose. It's sweet. I'm terrible at describing scents. I'm so mad at myself. Let's see if we can. I like that a lot. Oh. Oh, I like it. Oh, why can't I find it? Shoot. Doggone it. Okay, is it over here? Yes. Wild Child Fragrance, and it retails for $60. Unleash your inner wild child with this blend of tiara flower, bergamot, and freesia top notes, jasmine, gardenia, and frangipani middle notes, and vanilla and amber base notes. It's equal part flirty, frisky, and fierce. And it is. Oh, I like that. Oh, I'm so excited to have that. That smells really good. Okay, let's see. Get our last thing here. All right. Let me fix the paper. I'm sorry for the noise. And lastly, we have a palette here from Iconic London. It looks like this. Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. And it says, this retails for $62. Not only the shades in this eyeshadow palette totally gorgeous. They're highly pigmented, long wearing, and super easy to blend. Let's take a look. I love Iconic of London. I have a couple of their palettes and they're really nice. Look at how pretty that is. How gold. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Take this protective cover off. It's got a nice mirror. Oh, these are gorgeous. I just stuck my nail in one. Oh no. I gouged one, but look at them colors. They are gorgeous. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have done that. There's Pool Party, Summer Lovin', Coral Reef, All Nighter, Summer Glow, Beach Bronzed, Bikini Babe, Seashells Moonlit, Sun-Kissed, After Party, Sandstorm, Havana, Heat Wave, Ultraviolet, Tan Lines, Mimosa, Tequila Sunrise, and Aloha. And Aloha is just white. Let's see. Yeah. Let me swatch the Summer Glow and the Ibiza Nights, which are these two here. And then, how about Tan Lines and Tequila Sunrise. Okay, let's see how well they... Tequila Sunrise. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at that. Look how nice they swatched. I am really happy with this. Pigmented. Those are going to look gorgeous on. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Them are all the good. Bikini Babe we'll try. Put that down here. These are so nice and they're so creamy. And Havana, let's try that one. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Yeah, I like it. Take another look. This is awesome. What an awesome box this month. That was the last thing in here. And I am extremely happy with this box. I love everything we got. Oh, it had makeup, it had skincare, hair care, body stuff, perfume, it had everything in it. Eyeshadow palette, that is awesome. That is awesome. I like we got lipstick, that beautiful silk lipstick. We got a lip scrub, which I love. I use those all the time. This thing, the Slay, I am so happy with this. I needed a face spray, or all-day setting spray. I was so excited for that. This is gorgeous. This body tonic serum. That's going to be awesome to use. This perfume I love. I love this perfume. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like summer. That's what it smells like. And I like it. And then we got the cheek tint, the rose. That's gorgeous. And the really nice mascara. So this box was awesome. I liked everything in it. I don't think there's one thing in there that I don't like or I'm not going to use. Very happy with this box. I'm glad I got it. So let me know down below, do you get Ipsy Glam Bag X? Do you like it? Did you get anything different than what I got in my box? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Give me suggestions. If there's a box you want me to open, please let me know and I will make that happen. And please be so kind as to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And you guys have a wonderful Memorial weekend and stay happy and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye.